how to resolve it. How can I recognize the loop in universe? What are the methods to resolve the loop? That is your fourth step of the universe creation. How can I recognize the loop? What is a loop? What is the problem of this loop while report creation? A loop is a closed path by set of joins. What is the problem? While report creation, it will give the incompatible combination of the objects, the error message, or it will give the partial data. That is the problem of the loop. Then how to recognize them in the universe level? After creating the joins, go to the tools menu, do the check integrity. So check integrity, what it will do? The compilation of the universe. So what it is going to compile? Check all, structure, objects, joins, loops, everything will check there. That's the way we can recognize the loop. Then how to resolve it? By setting the cardinalities of all the joins. What is cardinality? Okay.
Is the one to many and many to one, and it's I guess it's the relationship between the two tables.
Yeah. So cardinality is a relation from one table to another table. So either one to many to one, or one to one. So once we set the cardinality, system will give a solution. How? Tools menu, automated detection. Click on detect loops. System will give a solution. Two methods to resolve the loops. One is alias method, another one context method. What is alias? When to go for alias? What is an alias? When to go for alias? Is a duplicate table of lookup table. What is lookup table? How to recognize it? A table which contains only one cardinality. Should not contain many. When to go for alias method? A loop with single lookup table will go for the alias method. Context method, a loop with more than one lookup table. Did you understand the alias method? Okay.
Hold on, please.
Do you want to do one more example? I'm going to make you as presenter. You can share your screen.
Okay.
You can connect to the server.
Okay. Show screen. This is the assignment from yesterday.
But that is the wrong resolving method.
Right, okay.
If you set the cardinality correctly, it will not give the alias method.
I see.
Why the cardinality is wrong? If you observe, you set the fact table to article lookup. That is wrong. Always the fact table contains the many. See the cardinality, fact table to article lookup table. You place it as a many towards article table. It's wrong.
Right.
The article should contain many facts.
Okay.
That is the reason it has given as a calendar as alias method, but that is the wrong resolving.
Okay.
Set the calendar here, we delete it.
Okay. Should we continue with this or create a new?
First delete this duplicate table. Calendar here lookup duplicate table, you can delete it.
Okay. Okay, and change the cardinality for that.
Yes.
Question, facts. Is that like factory or?
It's a fact table. It's a transactional data where the data is contained.
Okay.
So always the fact table contain many. Lookup table contain one, the relation.
I see. Got it. Right, so one.
And many towards fact table.
Right. Should be the other way around. Okay. Article one too many of shelf facts.
Same for the product promotion fact also.
Cardinality. So lookup is one, facts many. Okay. Should I do the check now?
You have to create a join between product to calendar year lookup table.
Calendar year lookup table. Week ID. Let me see. Product. Article ID. Week ID. So lookup table is one. Cardinality facts is many. One, many. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Now recognize the loop first. How to recognize the loop?
Okay.
Whether it's a loop or not, how to recognize it.
Let's say from left to right, calendar year lookup, one to many, one to many.
How to recognize the loop? Go to the tools menu.
Okay. Oh, can we just,
check integrity.
I see. Let's say with this picture here, can we,
Yes. Yeah.
visually, can we detect it?
By visualizing also we can tell. It's a loop.
I see. Okay. Check integrity. Check all.
Check all, yes.
Check cardinalities. Should we check cardinalities too?
Everything, no need to check that the cardinalities.
Yes.
We need to check them manually. So no need to check that cardinalities. Click OK.
Okay. One loop.
Yeah.
So, shop facts to article lookup. Shop facts to article lookup. And product promotion facts to calendar year. Product to calendar year. And calendar to shop facts. Okay.
So that direction that loop has created,
Mm-hmm.
then the system will give a solution. How?
Okay, go to tools, integrity. Hold on. Tools, automatic detection of loops.
See the method called
Context
method. Previously it gave the alias method, but now it is giving context. What is the reason?
The loop is not.
See how many lookup tables in your previous situation and how many lookup tables now.
I see. Okay, now two lookups.
Two lookup tables. Previously?
I think there's more than two. I don't recall.
The alias method, we have only one lookup table, but now
Two
lookup tables. So if you have a single lookup table in your loop, we'll go with the alias method. If you have more than one lookup table, we'll go with the context method.
Okay, so n+1 for context. Okay.
Yeah, let me explain. Come to my screen.
Okay.
So when to go for context method, a loop with more than one lookup table. When to go for context method, a loop with more than one lookup table. Okay. So what is a context? It is a set of joins which defines valid paths to generate the data. I have a table A here. I have a table B here. I don't have a direct relation from table A to table B. The one way I can go from table A to table C, then I can reach table B. Another way. One way, table A to table C, then I can reach table B. Second way, table A to table D, then I can reach table B. So how many possible routes to go from table A to table B? Two possible routes. You can go this direction, you will get one data. You will go this direction, you will get another data. So the possible routes is called context method. If you see your article table, shop facts, calendar table, product promotion facts, then automatically it is going to define two possible routes. One route to get the shop facts information. Article, shop facts, calendar. So one route to get this information. Product promotion fact. This is one way. So this is one context. This is another context. So it is dividing the possible routes to generate the data. It is not going to insert any duplicate tables, any nothing. The existing joins going to be split. This direction, you will get the shop facts information. In this direction, you will get the product promotion facts information. So, in this direction, this context is a combination of two joins. In this direction, the context is a combination of two joins. So, the context is nothing but set of joins. The possible routes to generate the data is nothing but the context method. If you come to your server and show me your screen. If you click on that candidate context.
Shall I close this little window?
Don't close.
Oh,
click
candidate.
on that candidate context. Yeah.
I see two possible routes.
Click on that adding to right hand side. Both you have to add. Click OK. Then that loop is covered in a two context.
See.
So you can close this small box. Then see the context box is there automatically. Automatically your table box is there, joins box is there, then context box. In the context box it is showing to you the available context in your universe. If you click on any one of the context, right hand side you can see the context box. How many joins are covered and which direction. That is highlighting in the structure panel level if you observe. Click on shop facts context. It is highlighting the loop. Sorry, highlighting the context. In which direction it has created is highlighting.
So helpful.
Sorry?
It's so helpful with this automated thing.
Yeah, it's very helpful. If you set the cardinalities correctly, it will give the correct resolving methods. So setting the cardinality is very important.
How can I be good at setting cardinality? That's a question.
Understanding the functionality, otherwise first verify the data automatically. Instead of setting manually, if you click on detect button, it will set that cardinality also automatically. If you see the join box, double click on any one join.
Okay.
Can you see a detect button?
Detect, yes.
Yeah, that one. That will it will set automatically generally.
I see.
So if you want to know what cardinality is having in the database level, you can click on that detect.
I see.
Then understand the functionality, in which direction you want to place it, you can place. Then
And
click OK.
I see. Can we just by eyeballing it and
Yes, yes.
okay, we can. Right.
Click
So
OK.
yeah.
So this is the second method. Okay,
Context.
yeah. Loop resolving methods.
Right.
Okay. Then go with another example. Save this. We'll create another example.
Okay. Should we save this one or just create a new one?
Whenever you are doing any modification of the universe, please save it.
Okay. Okay. Create a new one.
File menu, save, then create new universe.
Yes, I already saved.
Then close it.
Okay. Let me.
Go with the new universe creation.
Oh, I wanted to close it. Actually, I exited out. Okay. File new. Create a new universe. Okay.
Give the name as a loop club. Use the connection as club connection. Okay. Use the club? No? K club. Take that K club.
Okay.
Test it and click OK.
Yeah, I didn't test it. I press
No
enter.
problem, no problem. Add the required tables. Try to add 3 tables from the club connection. Okay.
Okay.
Your 3 tables only. Country, region, resort. Try to form the loop with these 3 tables. Country, region, resort. You have to rename it. You have to
Yep.
create the joins between them.
Okay.
First rename and you can try to create the joins.
Yep. Oh.
Okay, very good.
Region to resort.
Region to resort.
Yeah. So what is region ID or country
There is
ID?
no region ID, use the country ID only.
Right.
Then try to create resort to country also.
Resort to country. So it is country ID.
Yeah, use the country ID, yes. Then is it a loop or not?
It looks like it's a loop.
Yes, very good. Go to the tools menu for confirmation. Do the check integrity.
Okay. May I do this first? Let me just rearrange it so I can just visually look at it.
Then visually you can look it.
Right. Okay. Right now, go to tool. Check
Check
integrity.
integrity.
Yeah. Check all.
Check all.
Now, one loop.
One loop. Which direction?
Okay, from country to region and from resort to country. Country to region and to resort and to country. So from basically from left to right circle back.
Yes. Yes. So how to resolve it?
Here, by eyeballing it, there is no lookup.
First set the cardinality. Then only you can tell.
Oh, I see.
Okay. You have to set the cardinality first.
Okay.
Country to region. Double click. If you want to know what relations are available on the database, use detect.
Before I rely on the system, but if I just try to understand it, country to region, so country could have
One.
only one region.
Yeah, no, many regions. One country will have many regions.
Oh, okay.
So one should be left hand side, N should be right hand side.
Right, one to many.
Yeah.
Let's detect.
So
it
detect
is-
also telling this the relation is correct.
Yes. So click on
Click
that.
OK.
Yeah.
So country to resort to join also.
Okay. Country to resort. So country could have many resorts.
Yes. One country will have many resorts.
So one to many detect.
Yes. It's correct.
Okay. Click on that. Now
Region to resort. Let us suppose you don't know region to resort what relations are having.
a region could have many resorts, one to many.
Let's check. Detect.
Oh, okay, just detect.
But that is the way it is having.
Just reverse what I said.
Yeah, but that is it is having in the database level. Let's continue with that. Click
Okay.
OK.
Okay.
So now tell me how many lookup tables are there.
How many lookup tables? How do I know if it is a lookup table?
Yeah, that is important. A table should not contain many symbols.
Okay. So
Which table doesn't contain many?
country.
Very good. So that table is called lookup table. How many lookup tables in that loop?
One.
Only one. So
Yeah,
when to go for alias method?
Right.
A loop with single lookup table.
Got it.
System will give solution.
Yes.
Tools menu,
Yeah. Automatic detect loops.
automated detection, detect loops.
Okay. Alias and insert alias.
Then automatically loop will be broken.
Let's see. So duplicate table. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Great. So now the alias, well, it still has one. Okay. But it's a duplicate, so that's okay.
So this is the loop resolving method. I will give one PPT to you.
Okay.
Can you save that PPT? Okay, no problem, no problem. It opened, it's
Yeah,
open.
yeah. Right. Okay.
Go to the 14th page.
What page is this?
This is your
Page-
assignment, K. You should do before coming to tomorrow's class. Page number 14.
What page am I on right now? I'm trying to look for
Left
the page.
hand side it is scrolling if you observe. Which page you are in the, it is telling in the left hand side.
Got it. Okay. Okay.
14th page. Maximize this slide. How to maximize. That is important.
Okay. Review. Oh, that's Windows.
In view, that is for Windows. Huh?
Right.
Okay, it's okay, but I'm expecting this structure.
Okay.
You should not go with Elias method. That is the reason it is explaining if you go with the Elias method what problems will occur in the situation. So you should concentrate only on the structure. What tables are there and what joins are there, you have to concentrate. Start with the left hand side. See the what tables are there.
Country.
Very good. Then
Article. That's an alias.
where?
No, that's not. That's rental. Sorry. Rental sale.
Okay, very good.
And this one is, I think it's rental
Model.
model. Okay.
Yes. Then model table,
Yes.
sale model and sales. And also a maker table, a style table, sales price range table. So these are the tables are available in that structure. That slide referring the your motors connection only.
Okay.
I will help to you till the table is taken. Okay. Go to the inverse creation. Create new one. Give the name as loop with motors.
Okay. Oh, I can use Modus K then. Okay. Oh, I didn't test it. Okay. Insert table. What was that?
Try to take the tables first. Country, region, client.
Okay.
Then arrange them. How they placed in the structure, then place like that. Country, region, client.
Okay. Question, does it matter if I do an out of sequence from what you said? Let's say if I
Not a
have...
problem.
Okay.
Not a problem.
All right. Region. Country. And what's the third one, just to be sure? Client?
Client.
Okay.
Then close this
Yeah.
and see how those three tables are placed in the slide.
Internet. Why is that? Okay. So how it is placed? So client is first.
Okay, below client region,
Region.
below region country is there. So place like that.
Got it. Client. Okay. So if I client, region, country.
Country.
Okay.
Then what tables we need? There is a rental
Yes, ma'am.
and rental model. Below rental and rental models, you have a sale and sale model. Just come to the tables. Try to search the rental table.
Okay.
Do you have the rental table? You don't have the rental table.
Okay.
You have a sale table, but you don't have the rental table. First take the sale table.
Okay.
Okay. Close this. Okay. Unfortunately, the rental data also available on the sales.
I see.
That is the reason we should split it. So how to split it? Using a restriction. Right click on the sale table. First of all, if you want to see, right click on the sale type column. There is a column called sale type. Right click there.
Okay.
Column values. See the column values.
Looking. Yeah.
Click on it. Distinct values.
I see. Sale.
See the distinct values.
Yes. Sales of rental.
Exactly. Unfortunately, the sales table contains the sales and rentals. So that is the reason I am going to split this table. So how to split? Close this.
Make.
First I will apply the restriction as a sales type as S. So how to apply self restriction? Right click on it and join.
Join. Okay. So let's.
Left hand side is client table, sorry, sales table.
Right.
Right hand side also sale table. Both sides same table. Table 1 drop down. You are scrolling the fields.
Got it.
Table 1 drop down. Choose the sale.
Got it.
Table 2 also drop down. Choose as a sale.
Self-restricting.
Then left hand side of the fields, take the sale type.
Yeah.
Same way right hand side also take sale type.
Yeah.
Then below you have the expression. When you are selecting, the expression is defining. Remove the right hand side equal to part. Only remove right hand side of the equal to part.
Yep.
Then give within the single quotes as a S. This is called self-restriction.
Yes.
Now you will get only from this table sales information. Click OK. Then automatically you will get only self-restriction, because also self-restriction is there. Automatically you will get only sales information. But how can I get the rental information separately?
Make
So
another
you
table.
need to duplicate this table manually. Manually duplicate a table. So how can I save this as manually? as a duplicate. How can I get a duplicate table from this table? Just right click on the sale table.
Oh, I can do that. Okay.
Yeah, manually you can just insert alias.
Oh, insert
Just click alias.
alias. Okay.
This is not a loop resolving method, okay? This is just, we are duplicating manually.
Yes.
I need an extra table, give the name as rental.
Yep.
But when it should be rental,
Oh,
where the rental type as, sale type as R. Apply
Right.
self-restriction join.
yep. Join. Left table is sale. Or should rent. Sorry, and
Yes.
rental.
Yes.
Should be rental.
Then the right hand side,
Rental.
also rental.
Yep. I put it as lowercase. Okay. And
Left hand side sale type column,
Yeah.
right hand side also sale type column.
yeah. Sale type. Sale type. And rental equals to R.
Single quotes R.
Yep.
Now you got the rental information also separately. So this is called manual taking of duplicate. Because one table contain both information, we just split it.
Yes.
Okay. Same way for the sale model. Take sale model and split into rental model. There is a table, insert menu, tables option.
Yep.
In that table browser, you have a sale model.
Okay.
There is no rental model. Just right click on this table. Give the name as a alias. Give the name rental model. But no need of the self restrictions to these two tables. So no need of the self restriction because rental model is going to link with rental table. Sale model is going to link with sales table. So no need of the self restriction join again to these two tables. Got it?
I'm trying to understand that. No self-restricting join.
Because see your slide.
Okay.
Sale model is going to link with which table?
Sale model is going to be linked to sale table.
Then already the sale table contains the self restriction,
I
which
see.
is going to give only sales information.
I see.
Then no need again I need to maintain self restriction to sale model because already sales table level we apply already self restriction join. We are going to link with that table inner join. What
Right.
it will do? Automatically match data only.
Yes.
Then automatically you will get only sales information output. Same for the rental model. You are going to link with rental table, which is already applied the self restriction join. You are making the inner join. Automatically the output will get only matched data. So that is the reason we no need to maintain again self restriction joins to sale model and rental model. Then the remaining all the tables are available in your table browser window. Take them, okay?
Yes.
Create the joins, form the loop, resolve it.
Yes.
That is your assignment before coming to next class.
Okay.
Any queries?
No questions now.
Okay. So try to complete that assignment before coming to tomorrow's class. And the
Okay.
Thursday, Friday, I'm not available. Okay.
No problem.
If I'm available, I will drop him. I will tell tomorrow class. If I'm not available, mostly I will not available. Anyway, I will tell the tomorrow's class.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.